can start putting the wheel back on. I use a lug stud to make it easier to get the wheel line properly. After that, I'll put the wheel on and put the rest of the lug nuts in, and then once they're all in, I will pull the lug stud out and put the last lug nut in there. Torque wrenches in a star pattern as well as different star pattern. And then don't forget to torque the wheels, 89 foot-pounds. Put the cover back on. If you guys like more car videos like this, please subscribe. I am making more.